What's going on, guys? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring this old pair of Boker USA hand shears, or they called them grass cutters or pruning shears or shrub trimmers, or there's a bunch of names for them, but that's what we're going to be doing today, restoring these, getting them back to good working order. Some old vintage hand tools made in USA. It's Boker, it's a good brand. So start with taking these things apart. It's an 11 millimeter. A nice little Harbor Freight swivel head. It's come in handy. I'm working on a couple cars already since I bought it, so it's already paid for itself in my mind. It's going to be a lot of hand sanding and oil, a lot of it. So, yeah. I'm going to start with a steel bristle brush. We'll see how this goes. And this is just getting rid of that loose surface rust and maybe a tiny bit of this paint. Alright, that's the difference between just wire brushing it so far. You can see how that cleaned it up quite a bit. Now we're going to get to a lot of rim oil and sandpaper. Going to be a lot of elbow grease in this one. Already tons better. I'm going to be leaving some patina on these just because I like that. I feel like it's a good look. But we're going to get them functional again. Get all the main surface rust off. So a lot of this is darkening. It's not even a rust. A lot of it is. So we'll be getting a lot of the thick stuff off and leaving some of it to look good. Yeah, let's keep going. Starting to look pretty good. It's a decent difference right there. You can see some steel on this one. This one's all just rust. So that's about the level I'm going to get them to with the patina and everything. Looking like that. We'll see how much of this I get off. I might be leaving a lot of that orange paint, but we'll see how we go. See how this half is looking all. Got this one I think about as far as I'm gonna get it. I gotta do the other side. Alright. See how we can see the metal all around the handle now versus this one. It's all just rusted, and so I'd say that's pretty good right there. I'm gonna get this one looking like this one, and then I'll get back to y'all when we're putting it together. Alright, let's get these things put back together. There we go. They're not all sticky like they used to be. They spring back really nice. They're smooth, they're clean. I got the edges squared up because these aren't brought to a typical edge like a knife would be. These are squared off on the edges, and those two 90-degree corners just cross each other. Got them all cleaned up. Now I'm going to make replace that loop that's missing. It's a little latch that would come down to keep them closed. That's what we're going to do next. Alright. This is just a piece of a wire hanger I got right here. I'm going to be using that to replace the bail on this. I guess that's what you'd call it. So this is going to go through. Hard to see. It's going to go through, and then I'm going to bend that tab back up and then bend this down and around and make a little U. Kind of space it out right here. Alright, there we go. Got the little loop on there so I can hold them closed and pinch it and push it up, and it opens up. There's our complete restoration, y'all. These things are good to go now. They'll be good for, you know, 1 or 2 more generations at least, as long as they're taken care of and maintained with some oil. They'll be good to go. If y'all enjoyed this, don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with new content, and comment down below. Tell me what you think and how I can improve my content in the future. This has been restoring an old pair of vintage Boker USA hand shears. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.